Hi guys, this is Miles here once again and welcome to my project. We had a very busy week this past few days. Very timely because for today's video, I'm going to share with you this very easy and simple dish that you can prepare in no time. You can also do this ahead of time. You can do this in volume, store this on your fridge, and enjoy it for later. Join me and dive into this video. Tara! Today, I'll be sharing with you this very simple chicken adobo recipe. So we will start with, this is 800 grams of chicken. We will put it on a pot, nothing fancy here. We will add 1/3 cup of soy sauce and 1/4 cup of vinegar. This is white vinegar, but you can use any type of vinegar that you like. This is grated ginger. This is about the size of your thumb. 1 whole onions. You can use red onion also. This is 6 cloves of garlic. I just peeled it and crushed it. This is 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 3 pieces of dried bay leaf. And then we will set our stove to high heat. We will bring this to a boil. Stir this a little so that the chicken will be coated with the rest of the spices. Once it boils, we will cover this and simmer for 15 minutes in low heat. After 15 minutes, let's go back to our chicken. Give it a little stir so that the flavor will be well distributed. For our next step, this is optional. I have here 6 pieces of marbled potatoes cut in half. And then we will simmer this back again for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, to balance out the taste, we will add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it a little. And then we will test the doneness of our potatoes using a fork. This is almost ready. We will just reduce the sauce a little bit. So we will let this simmer for another 5 minutes with the lids open and in high fire while we are continuously stirring it. This to thicken up the sauce. So this is it. Our chicken adobo is ready to be served. There you go guys. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and also for you to get updated whenever I upload a new video, please click the notification bell. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye!